Shelly Abner and I have had a chance to play a lot of her instrumental pieces that she composes on the piano usually, and then comes to me with a rendition that she wants me to put guitar to, and this is no exception. She'll tell you about these.
Hi, everybody.
Your fan club's here.
Yes. So since moving here almost 4 years ago, my husband and I have been telling everybody, our friends, that we left in the gloomy Northwest. One of the favorite things about living here is almost every day you wake up to sunshine. So I decided to title my first song, Waking to Sunshine. My second song I titled Birdsong. It has two meanings. One, we just happen to live on the street, Birdsong Court. The second is that we have this huge tree in the backyard. We have no idea what it is. It looks like a huge bullet, a bush. And at dusk, every bird in the neighborhood seems to flock into this bush, and it's just like an aviary of all kinds of bird songs. So that's the second piece, Birdsong.